Something I realized is that life is a gift, and no matter where you are in life, it is not going to determine your destiny. Life is a roller coaster of ups and downs, and everybody goes through hard times. But you need to remember to be happy and realize that you've been put on this earth to do something great. Everyone has a dream, but the ones that succeed are the ones that truly believe. Little early morning ride. We decided to go to a little adventure. We stopped to the supermarket to get some water, and to the way over there, it's so beautiful. You're surrounded by beautiful nature, beautiful sounds of trees, birds, rivers. It's just so peaceful. Well, this is the beginning of the track. We're leaving the bikes, and we still have around 30 minutes of hike, so I'm excited. It's been a pretty long time to come, so yeah, follow along. The way up to this mountain is amazing. I just feel super connected to the moment. Makes me feel present. I just don't think about nothing. I just think about what I have around. It's a difficult hike. Gets my training done. It's hard, but once you head to the top and you see the view, you're like, okay, this it was worth it. Once you're at the top, you realize how much Mother Nature gives us. Gives us food, fresh air, and life. And we must realize and take action, and must take care of her for the next generation to come, so they can breathe fresh air and be surrounded by her. The way down is my favorite. You just run through the woods. You feel like Tarzan. It's just amazing. It gives you this adrenaline high. That was fun. That was amazing. I love going down, running down hills. One of my favorite things when I come to this mountain. So good. So there's this adrenaline rush. You cannot really do mistakes. If not, you could go like down a hill and stuff. It's pretty sick. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Forrest now. What's up, Forrest? Where you are? Hey everybody, I hope you liked it and you enjoyed the journey with me. And so don't forget, I have my TikTok, my Instagram, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. I promise there's gonna be a couple nice videos for the next couple months. So subscribe and follow along.